अस्सलामुअलैकुम माय राइजिंग स्टार्स। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप बहुत अच्छे होंगे। इन टुडेज वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न बर्ड्स नेम with their beautiful sounds as well. So let's start. Duck, robin, sparrow, crow, owl, eagle, hawk, dove, finch, pigeon, seagull, pelican, flamingo, peacock, parrot. Let's repeat all of them. D-U-C-K, duck. R-O-B-I-N, robin. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. C-R-O-W, crow. O-W-L, owl. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. H-A-W-K, hawk. D-O-R-E, dove. F-I-N-C-H, finch. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. S-E-A-G-U-L-L, seagull. P-E-L-I-C-A-N, pelican. F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O, flamingo. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Wonderful, lovely kids. Let's go further. Toucan, penguin, emu, ostrich, cardinal, kingfisher, woodpecker, canary, magpie, stork, swan, goose, wren. So let's repeat all of them. T-O-U-C-A-N, toucan. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. E-M-U, emu. O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. C-A-R-D-I-N-A-L, cardinal. K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R, kingfisher. W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R, woodpecker. C-A-N-A-R-Y, canary. M-A-G-P-I-E, magpie. S-T-O-R-K, stork. S-W-A-N, swan. G-O-O-S-E, goose. W-R-E-N, wren. So let's go further. Albatross, heron, puffin, macaw, sparrowhawk, vulture, blue jay, roadrunner, and pheasant. Let's repeat all of them. A-L-B-A-T-R-O-S-S, albatross. H-E-R-O-N, heron. P-U-F-F-I-N, puffin. M-A-C-A-W, macaw. SPARROWHAWK, sparrowhawk. VULTURE, vulture. BLUEJAY, blue jay. ROAGRUNNER, roadrunner. PHEASANT, peasant. Wonderful, my lovely kids. Let's repeat all of them in once. Duck, robin, sparrow, crow, owl, eagle, hawk, dove, finch, pigeon, seagull, pelican, flamingo, peacock, parrot, toucan, penguin, emu, ostrich, cardinal, kingfisher, woodpecker, canary, magpie, stork, swan, goose, wren, albatross, heron, puffin, macaw, sparrowhawk, vulture, blue jay, roadrunner, and pheasant. These were our 40 most common birds name for you. I hope you will repeat all of them. We will meet in next video. Khuda Hafiz.